Just one day after Governor DeSantis signed new legislation which lowers the threshold for a jury vote on death penalty cases, there's still one very important unanswered question. Which cases will the law apply to? Senate Bill 450 allows juries to recommend a death sentence as long as 8 out of the 12 jurors vote for it. It does not have to be unanimous anymore. But it's unknown if this affects the murder cases before the law was signed. News4Jax has learned that this remains pretty much a mystery for every state attorney's office in Florida because it's not written in the bill's language. It's a new law on the top of the minds of crime victims' families, waiting to learn if the person who murdered their loved one only needs an 8-4 vote from the jury for that convicted killer to face the death penalty. Jacksonville Beach resident Jared Bridigan's widow posting on Instagram about the law, writing, "I'm sharing this because, like it or not, it is the law as of today, and because it will affect the outcome of my husband's case." The judge overseeing the case in the murder of 16-year-old Ayanna Sawyer also made mention of Senate Bill 450 from the bench earlier this week, not knowing if the new death penalty guidelines will be enforced for her uncle, Jonathan Quiles, who still hasn't gone to trial 4 years after Sawyer disappeared.
Currently, the law is 12-0 for death penalty. If it gets continued, I don't know what the governor's going to do. It may be 8-4, and that brings up a whole other issues, I'm sure, challenges the defense will make.
It's also unknown if the new death penalty law could be applied to the local murder case of Nassau County Deputy Josh Moyers. His killer, Patrick McDowell, pleaded guilty just last month to first-degree murder after killing Deputy Moyers during a traffic stop.
So I don't anticipate there to be a change in cases that are pending. I anticipate it to be what's going to happen going forward.
Defense lawyer Gene Nichols says he thinks the new law will apply to murders committed after the law was signed by the governor. He says applying the new death penalty guidelines to pending cases would open up a mountain of legal arguments and appeal.
Typically, with most laws, when they're changed, when you see changes like this, they don't take place until something new happens. So it's going to be very hard, let's say, for a case that's 5 years old and set for trial tomorrow, that everything changes. You've had preparation all of this time period for the expectation of a 12-0 unanimous verdict when it comes to death.
And because there's no clear definition, there's a lot of interpretation going on. Tonight, the state attorney's office sending me this statement of their interpretation. It is their position of the state attorney's office for the 4th Judicial Circuit that the death penalty legislation recently signed into law by Governor DeSantis applies to any capital case currently pending in Florida's criminal justice system. They say we intend to proceed accordingly. There's also an ongoing discussion about whether or not judges will be given the discretion to apply the death penalty law or not. News4Jax is waiting to hear back as well from the governor's office for clarification on the law. It's unknown if this omission was an oversight or intentional.